In order to register with the UK's General Medical Council as an international medical graduate, you have to verify your primary medical qualification through Educational Commission for Foreign Medical Graduates, also called as ECFMG, via their EPIC system. EPIC means Electronic Portfolio for International Credentials. There are actually three main steps to do that. The first step is to create an EPIC account. In the second step, you will do your identity verification through Notary Cam. And in the third and the final step, you will upload your degree diploma on the EPIC portal and then trigger the verification. In this video, I will explain you the step 1 means creating an EPIC account. In the next videos, I will show you how can you do the identity verification through Notary Cam. And in the third video, I will show you how to upload document on the EPIC account and trigger the verification. So without wasting time, let's jump on create an EPIC account. Click on complete a request to establish an account. Click on establish an EPIC account. Prepare all required documents. Enter your name. Fill in your address, email ID and telephone number. Fill in your date of birth, country of birth, citizenship, and if you have US MLE identification number or EICS identification number. Select if you are student or graduate. Select your medical school and enter student identification number. Fill in the details of your degree. Select the authority which issued your medical license. For example, for Pakistan, it's PMDC. Select the organization for which you are applying. For example, for UK, it's General Medical Council, GMC. Upload your photograph. Please make sure that you follow all the requirements. Upload scanned copy of your passport. Fill in your passport details. Click on all the checkboxes and note that you have to pay $130 fee. You have completed now all the stages. You can review your information in a summary and modify as needed. ECFMG will now verify your information and they will create you a temporary account. They will send you through email the username and temporary password. Once you receive that, log in into your account and change your password and username if needed. After it's done, log in again into your account and schedule identification call. In the identification call, make sure that you are sitting in a quiet room and you have your original passport with you. In the next video, I will show you how you can do the identity verification through Notary Cam. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and hit the thumb button. Thank you.